Welcome to T1 Academy. In our reasoning series, we already finished our alphabet series, coding and decoding, right? So today in this we will see the alphabet series. We already finished alphabet test and we finished the coding and decoding concept, students. So please students do watch that videos. This video will be like a continuity for that one only, especially the first one. Why? Because there we have seen about the place values of alphabets and everything there, which is very important for us in this alphabet series. Without knowing the place values of alphabets, it will be difficult for you to understand this alphabet series. So please do watch that video so that you will have a clear idea that what we are doing here and how we are doing the things here. Okay, right? Now, what is meant by this alphabet series, sir? First, we will see a general example. If I say that something like this, A, C, okay, F, J, what comes next? What comes next in this series? Now, please observe here, what is happening here? 1, 3, what it is 6, and this is the 10th alphabet. Now, if you observe carefully, what is happening here, students? Plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, right? Plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, right? Now, what comes next here? Plus 5. What comes next here? Plus 5. So, 10 plus 5 is what for us? 10 plus 5 is 15. What is the 15th alphabet for us? What is the 15th alphabet for us? O. So, here our answer becomes O. This is the way which we solve our series. See here, students, here it is in the incremental order. Sometimes the question will be something like this. Z, X, V, T. What comes next? Now, the same logic here also. What is Z is the 26th alphabet for us. X is what for me here? 24th alphabet. V is what? 22nd alphabet. T is 20th alphabet. Now, what should come next? What is happening here? Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, right? Similarly, if it is once again minus 2, what it becomes for us? 18. What is the 18th alphabet for us? R. 18th alphabet is R. So, in this manner, we are going to solve the questions from this alphabet series. Alphabet series means it will be based on some mathematical conclusions and as well as some logical conclusions also. Now, see here, for example, there is a series like this. What comes next and next? Now, please observe here, students. If I write the place values, what is happening to this? A is first alphabet, Z is 26th alphabet, C is what for me? C is third alphabet, X is 24th alphabet, F is 6th alphabet, V is 22nd alphabet, J is 10th alphabet. If you just observe the place values, one time increasing, one time decreasing, one time increasing and the other time it is decreasing. Now, whenever you see this type of pattern, see students, there is no rule that only one series should be there in the given question. There may be a mixed series. That means what happens here? 2 to 3 series may be mixed in the same flow of line. Now, please observe here. Now, I will check here alternately. A, C, F, J. Now, in that sense, what should come next for me here? O. Why? Because alternately that series is progressing like this, right? According to our first series. Now, please observe this one. Z, X, V, and what should come next for me? 20. What is 20th alphabet for me? T. 20th alphabet for me here is T. So, like this, we are going to solve the problem. So, what happens is sometimes we will have a single series and sometimes we will have a mixed series. That means here we may have 2 to 3 series here. Okay, 2 and sometimes we may also have 3 also. The only thing here is after writing the place values, you should be able to understand it and you should be able to what we can say is analyze and guess how many patterns are there in that. Whether it is a single pattern one like this or it may have 2 patterns or it may have 3 patterns based on the question, and after writing the place values, you should understand it. Okay, students. Now, we will see the examples of this series so that you will have more clarity about this series, students. See, students, in the case of reasoning, the concepts will be very less, but the number of questions will be more. When it comes to the quant, there will be concepts and there will be questions based on those concepts, so that we can learn by learning the concept and then later practicing the problems. But what happens with the reasoning is we don't have an actual concept here. These are all generalized things. So, what we will do is with the help of examples only we need to learn these reasoning concepts, else it will be difficult for us. Okay, now we will see the next one. Now please see the question here. What is the question here, students? AZ, GT, MN, question mark and YB. In our first video, if you observe carefully, we discussed about this one. What is this AZ, MN, GT and YB? What are these, students? These are what? Opposite pairs, right? Which we have seen in our first video. Sir, AZ, first and last. Gujarat Titans, GT, man, MAN, boy, BOY. Y and B are opposite to each other. These are what? Opposite pairs. If you were able to identify the opposite pairs, well and good. If not, write the place values. A is what for me? First alphabet. Z is 26th alphabet. What about G? G is the 7th alphabet. What about T? It is 20th alphabet. What about M, students? M is the 16th alphabet. N is 14th alphabet. We don't know what it is. Once again, Y is which alphabet for us? Y is 25th alphabet. B is the second alphabet for me here. Now please observe here, students. What is actually happening here? Plus 6 and something should be added here, right? And next please see here minus 6 and something is happening here. Now if I do the same minus 6 here, if I do the same M is 13th alphabet. Sorry, my mistake. M is the 13th alphabet, right? So 13 plus 6, it should become what? 19. Is it following the pattern? Yes, 19 plus 6 is once again 25, fine. Next one, see here, minus 6, 14 minus 6, what it becomes? 8. Is it following the continuity? Yes, minus 6 is 2. Yes, so my answer will become what? 19 and 8. 19th alphabet is S for me, 8th alphabet is H. So our answer here will becomes SH. Our answer here becomes SH. Please be careful, students. What is first, what is next is also very, very important. In a flow, sometimes you may mark your answer as HS if there is any option. So please keep an eye on that one. Okay, you should not do such type of silly mistake after getting the logic. As I have told you, right, if you were able to identify the opposite pairs, fine. If not also no problem, take that. Even though you identify the opposite pairs also, students, you should find the logic, right? Why only AZ, GT, MN and YB? You should find that logic. How you will get that logic? Just to see the first numbers. It is plus 6. Next one also should be plus 6, and please check whenever a middle term is skipped, you should definitely check whether the continuity is there or not. Definitely you should check the continuity. If continuity is not there, means you might have done something wrong, or your logic, whatever the logic which you are thinking, might be wrong. In reasoning, based on the logic, the answers may change. There may be many answers for different types of series, but our answer should be there in the options. If our answer is not there in the option, means then immediately you should be able to change the logic or think in a different manner and then write the final answer. Don't think that whatever the answer which you get is correct. There might be answers with some other logic also, so that you should explore on the other concepts or the other logics when your answer is not there in the option. Okay, right? Next one. Now see this one. WFB, TGD, QHG. Let us write the place values. WFB, TGD, QHG. Now, what are the place values, students here? W is 23rd alphabet, sir. F is 6th, B is 2nd alphabet, T is 20th, G is 7th, D is 4th, right? Q is the 17th alphabet for us, H is the 8th alphabet, and G is the 7th alphabet for us here. Now, please observe here, students. Please try to identify the pattern which they have given for us. Please see the first letters, 23 to 20. What is happening here? Minus 3. And the next one, 20 to 17, minus 3. Okay, when it comes to the first letters, they are decreasing by 3 letters. When it comes to the second one, plus 1, right? 6 to 7. Next, 7 to 8, plus 1. Right? Next, when it comes to the third one, 2 to 4, what is happening for me here? Plus 2. From 4 to 7, what is happening here? Plus 3. From 4 to 7, what is happening for us here? Plus 3. Right? So now it is increasing in an order, right? It is increasing in an order. So what happens for us? Please observe here. The first are decreasing by minus 3, right? So in the same category, 17 minus 3, what it becomes, students? 14. 17 minus 3, it becomes 14. That is N. 17 minus 3, it becomes 14. Okay, sir. Good, superb. Next, see the second one. What is happening with the second one? Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, right? So H plus 1, that is 8 plus 1, it becomes 9. So what is the ninth alphabet for us? I. And then next, see the third one, it is in the incremental order. Plus 2, plus 3, and next it should be what? Plus 4. Plus 4 means what? 11th alphabet. 11th alphabet is what for us? K. So our answer here becomes N-I-K. So our answer here becomes N-I-K. See students, even though the series is progressing, but each and every letter is changing here differently. Each and every letter is changing differently. See the first letter, it is decreasing with a constant minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. See the second letter, it is decreasing with a constant plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. Now see the third one. What happens is, in a flow, sometimes we may mistake it as, okay, here it is plus 2. There is a high chance of next one is also plus 2, and we can go in a continuity manner. Please be careful. Please check each and everything perfectly. Each and everything perfectly. Why? Because see here we have similar type of options, N-I-K and N-I-J here. Actually, if you observe here, if you think that, okay, first one is minus 3, next one is plus 2, plus 1, next one is a plus 2. If you think in that manner, what you will do is the same logic you will apply for 8 also. Plus 2, you will do plus 2 here. Then when you do plus 2 for this 7, G or something like this, what you will get? You will get I or some other value. So please be careful, students. Okay. So here our answer will become what? N-I-K. N-I-K will be our answer here. Each and everything should be checked before marking your answer. Next, H-I-K-N. H-I-K-N. A simple series. H is the 8th alphabet, I is 9th, 11 and 14. What is happening here, students? Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. So next what it becomes? Plus 4. 18th alphabet is what for us here? R. 18th alphabet is R for us here. 18th alphabet is R for us. So our answer here becomes R. Our answer here becomes R. Next one. See the next one. Z-S-W-O-T-K. So we will try to write the place values. Z-S-W-O-T-K-Q-G. What comes in the next two? Now Z is 26th alphabet, S is 19th alphabet, W is 23rd alphabet, O is 15th, T is 20, K 11th, Q 17th, G is 7th. Now please see here, students. What I mean to say is, whenever you see these type of question marks, 2 question marks, definitely there is a high chance of 2 series. Remember this one. If they ask something like this, 2 question marks, why? Because see, if it is only one series, why he will give you as 2, right? If you break for one logic, obviously you will write the next one also. It is a waste of time. Whenever he gives 2 question marks, keep this thing in your mind. Definitely there is a very, very high chance of having 2 series in our given question. Okay, that is one thing. And next one is, see here, increasing, decreasing, increasing, decreasing. Now by observation, what I can tell here, here I have 2 series, right? 26, 23, 20, 17. What comes next? What comes next? The order is also very, very important, students. So 14. 14. Next, S to O minus 4, O to K minus 4, K to 7 minus 4. Next, minus 4. 7 minus 4, it becomes what? 3. So our answer here becomes what? NC. Our answer here becomes NC. NC. So N comma C. N comma C will be our answer in this case. Okay. As I have told you, whenever you see 2 question marks, then immediately start thinking that there are 2 series in that, and then try to get the answer. Okay. That will be easy for you to get the answer. Or else by seeing the question itself, you should be able to understand that there are 2 series in that. Okay, right? Next one, we will see the next one. Now see the next one, AB, okay, DEF, okay, HIJK, okay, next something, and then next STUVWX. Now see here, students, in the previous examples what we have seen, either we have seen 2 letters together, or 1 letter together, or 3 letters together. But here what is happening? Here first I have 2 letters, next 3, next 4, next 6, 1 left. So obviously this will become what? A 5 letter one. Okay, good. That understanding is there for us. So here all the options are 5, yes, except 1, all the remaining are 5. Okay, now see here, students, AB, here C is deleted, F, G is deleted, right? Next H, I, J, K, L should be deleted. So what I should have here? M, N, O, P, Q. M, N, O, P, Q. Why? Because it is a 5-letter word. And as I have told you, please check whether the continuity is there or not. After Q, what it should be? R. R is skipped, and as usual, S, T, U, V, W, X. Right? It is satisfying. So our answer here becomes M, N, O, P, Q. Okay. Right? Next one. See the next one. A, G, L, P, S. A, G, L, P, S. A, G, L, P, S. Now see here, A is the first alphabet, G is the 7th alphabet, L is 12th alphabet, P is 16th alphabet, S is 19th alphabet. What is happening here, students? Plus 6, plus 5, plus 4, plus 3. What should be next one? It should be plus 2. That means 21st alphabet. What is the 21st alphabet for us, students? U. U is the 21st alphabet for us here. So our answer here becomes option A. Our answer here becomes option A. Understood? Right? Next one. C, Z, F, X, I, V, L, T, O, something like this. So C, Z, as I already told you, whenever you have 2 question marks, there is a high chance of having 2 series in that. Okay. So C, Z, F, X, I, V, L, T, O, and question mark and question mark. Right? So now what happens here for me? 3, 26, 6, 24, 9, 22, 12, 20, 15. 20 and 15. Now please see here. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. These are multiples of 3, right? So what I should get here? I should get here 18. Right? Next. Z, X, V, T. What it will become? 18. What it becomes? R, R. So our answer here becomes R, comma, R. R, comma, R will be our answer here. R, comma, R will be our answer here. See the next one. A, B, B, D, C, F. Okay, we will see it. A, B, B, D, C, F, D, H, E, and question mark and question mark. As I already told you, whenever you have 2 question marks, there is a high chance of having 2 series. Let us see here. What is happening here? 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 8, 5. Now please see here, students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What should be next one? 6. And similarly, 2, 4, 6, 8. What should be next one? 10. What is the 10th alphabet for me? J. What is the 6th alphabet for me? F. So our answer here becomes J, comma, F. Our answer here becomes J, comma, F. Just identify the pattern, students. That is enough. Next, A, Y, B, Z, C. Something like this they are given for us. Now let us write that one. A, Y, B, Z, C. Okay. D, W, E, X, F. Next, G, U, H, V, I. J, S, K, T, L. Now, please observe here. What are the place values? Write down the place values. You will get an idea. What is happening here? A, B, C, D, E, F. If you observe carefully, if you are able to identify it, good. If not, please see here A, B, C. Next, D, E, F. Now see here Y, Z. Next, one letter before and the next 23, 24, 25, 26. Next, G, H, I. What it is? G, U, V. That is 21, 22. 21, 22. See here 25, 26. Here 23, 24. 21, 22. Now next one, see here J, K, L. Here also 19, 20. So similarly L, after L what we will have? After L, M. Alternately N, O. M, N, O will be there. In between them what I should have now? Up to 19 is finished, right? So next I should have 17 and 18. 17th alphabet will become what? Q. 17 should be written first and then next 18. R is 18 for me. So my answer here becomes MQNRO. MQNRO. So our answer here becomes option B. If you are not able to identify it, students, just write the place values. Just write the place values. Definitely you will get the idea that what is happening here. Okay. Right. Next one. Now see here PMT. OOS, NQR, MSQ. So P, M, T, OOS, NQR, right? MSQ. MSQ. Now please observe here, what is P? 16th alphabet. What about M? 13th alphabet. T is 20th alphabet. Okay. Next O, 15th one. O, 15th. S is 19th alphabet. Next N, 14th alphabet. Q is 17th. R is 18th alphabet. 13, 19 and 17. Now what is happening with the first letter, students, here? 16, 15, 14, 13. So that next one should be what? 12. That means minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 is happening with the first one. Now next 13, 15, 17, 19. What is happening with the second one? Plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, right? So it becomes what? 21st. 21st. Okay. Next what happens to the third one? Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Next it also should be minus 1. So 16. So our answer here becomes what? LUP. LUP will be our answer here. So answer is here option A. Option A. See students, just write the place values. In 99.99% cases you will get the idea. Only in some exceptional cases the chances to get the idea will be very, very less. But in 99.99% cases, after writing the place values, definitely if you observe them carefully, definitely you will identify the logic and it will be easy for you to solve it. If you see only letters, you will not be able to identify what is the logic there. Right. ZXS. Now we will see next one is ZXSIRR. As I already told you, whenever you have two question marks, there is a high chance of having two series. So Z is 26th alphabet, X is 24th, S is 19th alphabet, I is 9th alphabet, R is 18th alphabet and R is also 18th alphabet. And what comes to the next and next? Now see here students, if I think in this order only, what is happening? It is not going to work for me, right? Why? Because 26, 24, 19, they are not following any particular order. Now I will check in an alternate manner. 26 to 19, what is happening here? Minus 7, okay. Next, 19 to 18. Is there any relation here for me? No, still no relation. Why? Because minus 7, it is not going to happen. Next, please see this one. IR, ZX and this one. S and I and R. What is happening here for me? It is 24 and it is 9. So it is minus 13. Okay. And next, I to R. It is not following any particular order, right? Okay. Then check what is the logic here for us. ZX. We will check in a straightforward manner what you will get. Minus 2. What it is? Minus 5. Okay. Now please see here. Next it is what? Minus 10. Minus 10. So from here to here. Now please observe here students. Please observe carefully. I have checked, I tried that thinking it as an alternate one. But here actually I am not getting any logic with the alternate one also. But please observe the differences here. Minus 2, minus 5, minus 10. From 9 and 18. 18 is also can also be written as what? Or else if I think that 18 is R is, this is the R is 18th alphabet, right? If I move how many directions in backward from I so that I will reach R, tell me. Generally, I is 9th alphabet. If I consider, why? Because I am subtracting, right? If I consider I as 35, can I consider I as 35? Yes. Why? Because 35th alphabet is also I. If I consider 36th alphabet, 35th alphabet as I, now instead of 9, I will write it as 35. 35 minus 18, what it becomes, students? 35 minus 18 becomes minus 17. It becomes what? Minus 17. From 18 to 18, once again you are reaching 18 means what? How many you have moved in backward? 26, right? See, you are coming to once again, if you are moving in reverse order and you are coming back to the starting point means you have covered all the positions, right? Total, how many alphabets are there for me here? 26. So minus 26. Now please try to identify. Minus 3, minus 5, minus 7, minus 9. So this is of 2 level. This is of 2 level subtraction here for us. That means what should be my next one? minus 11. That means I should have here how much? Minus 37. Minus 37. Minus 37. Next I should have here how much? Minus 13. That means I should have here minus 40. I should have here minus 40. So from R, 18 minus 37. Sir, how I can find 18 minus 37? R instead of 18, what I can take R value as students? 18 plus 26 how much? 44, right? 44 or not? 44 minus 37, what it becomes? 7. So I will take this as what? 44. 44. 44. Okay. R as 44. 44 minus 37, what it becomes? 7. What it becomes? 7. Okay. So that means it will become 7th alphabet for me is G. Okay. From it I should subtract minus 40. I should subtract minus 40. So G minus 26 is once again G. Yes, sir. From G minus 14. G can also be written as what? 33. 33 minus 14, what it becomes? See here. From G, G is from here 7. Okay. See students, once again I will write it very clearly so that you will have an idea what I actually am doing here. Now first what we are doing here, if you observe carefully, Z, X, S, I, R, question mark and question mark. Now, just now I told you, right, there is a high chance of having two mixed series here. But what is happening, I will write the place values 26, 24, 19, 9, 18, 18 and two values we don't know. Now, if I think in an alternate manner, I am not able to get the logic here. But if I move in only one way, what it is? Minus 2, from here to here minus 5, from here to here minus 10. Right? Now, instead of R as 18, I will take R as what for me here is? R I will consider it as in reverse, or else I will consider I as, instead of considering it as 9th alphabet, I will consider I as 35th alphabet. Can I do that one? Yes, sir. And from 35 minus 18, what it becomes? 35 minus 18, it becomes 17. Okay. Now see here, minus 3, minus 5, minus 7. Okay. Now if I want to continue the same thing, in here from here to here, it will become what? R as 18 means I can also take R as 44, right? Yes, you can take. So that here it will become what? Minus 26. Now please observe here students. What is happening from here to here? Minus 3, minus 5, minus 7, next minus 9, right? So similarly next it should be what? Minus 11. To get minus 11, what it becomes students? What I should write here? 26 minus 26 minus 11, it will become what? Minus 37. It becomes what? Minus 37. Minus 37. So R instead of 18, I will consider it as 44 once again. You know what is the reason. So 44 minus 37, what it becomes? 7. So this will become what for me? G. This becomes what for me? G. And next one is what for me here? In the same logic, if I want to continue, it should be minus 13. It should be minus 13. That means what I should subtract here? Minus 40. Minus 40. But G, I have it as 7, right? I have G as 7. So now from this G is 7. G7 I can also consider it as multiple of 26. Add multiple of 26. Can I consider this as 59? Yes, sir. I can consider this as 59. G is 7th alphabet or 59th alphabet. Both are same. Why I am not taking the first multiple, that is 33 means? Anyway, 33 is also less than 40. That is the reason. So what happens? 59 minus 14 means it becomes 19. So my answer here becomes G, yes. There is a small mistake in the option students. So, but the answer here is G, yes for us. The answer here for us is G, yes. Okay. This is how the pattern is going here. Okay. Two-layered pattern. Two-layered pattern. This is little bit different question from what we discussed till now. Okay. Right. Next one. T, R, P, N, L and two question marks. So, T, R, P, N, L and question mark for us here. Now what happens here? T is 20th, R is 18, P is 16, N is 14, 12. So this is a straightforward one only. Even though two question marks are given, but this is a straightforward one. What is happening here? Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. So it will become what? 10 and 8. Please be careful. First it is a J and then H. JH. So our answer here becomes JH. Our answer here becomes JH. Now see the next one. Next, AZCXFU. What are these, students? Opposite pairs, right? A and Z, first and last, color Xerox and fun FU. These are what? Opposite pairs for me. Or else, write the place values. What you will get? 126, 324, 621. Now what is the logic in the first one? Plus 2, plus 3. Next it should be what, students? Plus 4. That means what? 10. Next, minus 2, minus 3. Next it should be what? Minus 4. Minus 4. So what happens to this one? JQ. JQ. Jack and Queen. So like that also you can mark your answer here. So based on the situation, you change your logic, students. But my suggestion is you should be able to identify these things. Then easily you will get the answer. If not, you need to work little bit. Next one, RUXAD. RUXAD. What comes next? R is 18th alphabet, U is 21st alphabet, X is 24th alphabet, A is first alphabet, D is 4th alphabet here. Now please see here, students. What is happening here? From here to here plus 3. Okay, from here to here plus 3. Now please see here, for example, if I assume that it is continuing with plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. 24 plus 3, what it should become? 24 plus 3, 27. 27. That means A only, right? 27th alphabet is what? A only. Next, plus 3. Anyway, the logic is getting continued. Yes, so plus 3. What is 7th alphabet for me? G. So my answer here becomes option B. My answer here becomes option B. This is how we are going progressively. Next one. AYD, BVF, DRH. What comes next? And KGL. Now see here, students. ABD. Right? 1, 2, 4. Right? Next 25, 22, 18. What is happening from here to here? Minus 3. From here to here minus 4. When it comes to first one, plus 1, plus 2. Now third one, AYD means 4, 6, 8. What is happening with the third alphabet? It is increasing by plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. Now the first one, if I continue in the same manner, what it should be next one? Plus 3. D plus 3 is we got 7. And it should continue, right? Next it should be 4. That is 11. Yes, it is satisfying. So 7th alphabet for me here is G. Okay, that is fine. 7th alphabet for me is here G. Next 25, 22. What is happening with the middle one? It is minus 3, minus 4. Next it should be what? Minus 5. Minus 5 means what? It becomes 13. So what is 13th alphabet for me? M. I need to check whether it is continuing or not. 13 minus 6 is what? 7. 7 is G. That is satisfying. So the second alphabet is M for me. When it comes to the third one, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, right? So 8 plus 2, what it should become? 10. What is 10th alphabet for me? J. And I need to check whether it is continuing or not. Yes, it is continuing. So my answer here is GMJ. My answer here is GMJ. So students, definitely whenever there is a continuation, always try to check that continuation also. That is also very, very important. Okay. Next one. ABN, okay. ABN, CD, OE, FP. What should come next? 3. Now please see here, students. This is little bit different question from what we have solved it till now. Now please see here 1, 2, 14. Next see here 3, 4, 15. Next 5, 6, 16. Please observe here, students, what is happening here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And next 14, 15, 16. Right? That means once again what it should be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means next it should be what? 7, 8. And next 14, 15, 16 means what? 17. So my answer here becomes GHQ. My answer here becomes G, H, Q. So please be careful students. Sometimes we may have two series alternately. Sometimes like this 2 and 1 third one u, 2 and third one u, 2 and third one u, like this also you may have. Definitely you will get the idea when you write the place values, but there is a high chance of having this type of series also. So what is our answer here? GHQ. GHQ will be our answer here. GHQ will be our answer here. See the next one. GH, JL, NQ, SW. So we will see GH, JL, NQ, SW, YD. What is G? G is the 7th alphabet, H is the 8th alphabet, J is 10th, L is 12, N is 14, Q is 17, S is 19, W is 23, 25 and 4. Okay sir. Now what is happening with the first alphabets? 7 to 10 plus 3, 10 to 14 plus 4, 14 to 19 plus 5, 19 to 25 plus 6. That means in the same manner it should become what? Plus 7. 25 plus 7 what it becomes? 32 sir. So what is 32nd alphabet for me? 32 minus 6, right? How you will find the 32nd alphabet? 32 minus 26, that is equal to 6. Why we are subtracting only 26 means total we have 26 alphabets. So that is the reason I am subtracting 26. Please do watch that first video students. Why we are doing this one, you will understand it there. So what is 6th alphabet for me? F. Next, come to the second one. Plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7. Whether it is plus 7 or not, we will check it once. 19 plus 7 will become what students? Sorry, 23 plus 7 it becomes what? 30. 23 plus 7 it becomes what? 30. What is the 30th alphabet for me? 4th alphabet is the 30th one. So 4th alphabet is D. Next it should be what? Plus 8. 4 plus 8 it becomes what? 12. What is 12th alphabet for me? L. So my answer here will become FL. Answer here becomes FL. FL. Right? Next one. ADHM, something like this. ADHM and a break and then Z. A is first alphabet, D is fourth alphabet, H is 8th, M is 13th and Z is 26th alphabet. Now please see here what is happening here. Plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. If I assume in the same manner plus 6, what it becomes? 19. 19. And check whether it is continuing or not. Plus 7, it is 26. Yes, it is continuing. What is 19th alphabet for me? Yes. So my answer here becomes S. Okay, right? Next one. Z and alternates are left here. Now please see here, this is also a different type of question. A question mark, T, a question mark, N, a question mark, H, a question mark and B. H, a question mark and B. Now please observe here students, just write the place values 26, 20, 14, 8 and 2. What is happening here students? Actually minus 6, minus 6, minus 6, minus 6. But all are alternate one. But we don't know what we need to put here. It can be of any logic, right? Or anything is related between them. There are high chances. See here, what is happening from here to here? Minus 6. What is happening from here to here? Minus 6. From here to here? Minus 6. And from here to here also minus 6. All the differences are constant, right? So sir, what is the idea? This can be a mixed series. Yes, there is a chance. Or else the same series, there might be a difference. So what we should do in this type of questions is, we should do the option substitution. We should substitute the option and then verify it. Okay, and then verify it. So what happens? The first option for me here is W, Q, K, E. If I put W, E, K, E, Q, K, E, what happens? W is 23rd, Q is 17th, K is 11th and E is 5th. Minus 6, minus 6, minus 6. It is satisfying? Yes, it is satisfying. W, Q, K and 6. Minus 6, minus 6, minus 6. It is satisfying. Okay. And at the same time, if you observe students, between these two it will become minus 3. Between these two it becomes minus 3 and all the difference also becomes minus 3 for me here. Right. So my answer here will become what? W, Q, K, E. So this will be our answer. But all the times you will not get the first option as the option, right? We will see what is the wrong options here. What is the wrong options here? We will try to check here. Okay, we will just verify what is the wrong one here. Why it is wrong. Now see the second option. If I put here W, R, K and E, if I put that one, it will become 23rd, R will become 18th, K will become 11th and E becomes a 5. Now please check here the difference. Here the difference is minus 5, okay. But here the difference is minus 7. Next the difference is minus 6. Is it following any pattern here for me? No, it is not following any pattern. So that is not my answer. Okay, so that is not my answer. So that is not my answer. Next one I will put X, Q, K, E. So what is the difference here for me? This is 24 and this is 17. 7. Okay, fine. Next this is K, that is 11. Okay, minus 6. Okay, till here we may think that next should be what? Minus 5. If it is next to minus 5, it is good. But what is happening to the next one? It is also minus 6. Is it correct to approach? No. If I am having here minus 5, then that can be also be an answer. But here that is not happening. So this is not our answer. And similarly check for this D also. You will get the same thing. Here the pattern is followed by only option A. So our answer here becomes option A. Option A. Right? Next one. Z, U, Q and question mark and L. So Z, U, Q and empty space and L. So 26, U is 21, Q is 17 and L is 12th one. Now what is happening here from here to here? Minus 4. From here to here minus 4. This is minus 5. Minus 5, minus 4. Next it should be what? Minus 3. If it is minus 3, it will become what? 14. And check whether it is continuing or not. Yes, minus 2 it is continuing. What is 14th alphabet for me? N. So our answer here becomes N. Our answer here becomes N. Understood? Right? The next one. DHL, PTX, BFJ. What is this? DHL, PTX, BFJ and what comes next? DHL means what? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Next 2, 6, 10. Right? Now please see here students, what is happening with the first alphabets? D, P, B. Okay, with that I was not able to identify the logic. Just for timing. Now I will go with this one. What is happening from here to here? Plus 12. Second one. I am going with the second one. Now what is happening from here to here? T plus 12 what it becomes? 20 plus 12 it becomes 32, right? 32 or 6 both are same? Yes sir. If I add 12 to this one, it will become what? 32. It is following an order, right? So next one it should be what? Plus 12. So it will become 18. So the middle one becomes 18. See the first one also similarly plus 12. Next, if I add plus 12 to this one, what it becomes? 28. 28. That is also satisfying, right? 28th alphabet is B for me. So once again plus 12. Either you add 28 plus 12 or 2 plus 12, you will get the same answer students. 28 plus 12, it becomes what? 40. What is 40th alphabet? N. 2 plus 12, what it is? 14. 14th alphabet is also N for us here. So 14. So the middle one is 14. Okay, next come to the last one. Plus 12. And plus 12 and once again plus 12. So what is happening here? All are incremented by plus 12 plus 12. So 10 plus 12 it becomes what? 22. So our answer here becomes R and V. Our answer here becomes R N V. R N V will be our answer here students. Here the option is not there. R N V is the correct answer for us here. Why? Because we are adding always plus 12 plus 12 plus 12. Once again 28 B plus 12 it becomes what? Okay. Sorry, I have written correctly but we are shuffled it. N should be first one. NRV. NRV. NRV will be the perfect one for us here. So our answer here will becomes NRV. 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 Okay. NRV will be the perfect one for us here. NRV will be the perfect one here. Okay. Right. Next one. MNOLRIV. So MNOLRIV. What comes next? So M is what for me? 13th alphabet. N is 14, 15, 12, 18, 9, 22. Now please see here students. If I think it is a single series, 13, 14, 15, okay fine. But what happens next? 12, 18, 9. Is it following any pattern here for me? No, it is not following. So because of that reason, think in alternate manner. 13, 15, 18, 22. What is happening from here? Plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. Next one is of no use anyway. Why? Because I want the immediate one. So that means just check the next one. Minus 2, minus 3. So next it should be what? Minus 4. 9 minus 4, what it is? 5. What is fifth alphabet for me? E. So our answer here becomes option B, E. Our answer here becomes option B, E. That is how you are going to solve that one. See the next one. B, D, F, I, L, P. B, D, F, I, L, P. What comes next? B is what for me? Second alphabet. D is fourth alphabet. F is 6th. I is 9th. L is 12th. P is 16th. Now what comes next? What comes next? That is a question for us here. Now please observe here, students. If I observe the difference, what it is? Plus 2, plus 2. Next it became what? Plus 3. Next it became plus 3 and then next plus 4. Is it following any order here? No, it is not following. Now I will think in an alternate manner. So when I think it in an alternate manner, what it looks like? 2, 4, 6, 9, 12, 16, right? Now think in the alternate manner. 2 plus 6, 12. Next, 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. What is happening here? Plus 4, plus 6. Now please here, one time plus 4 alternately, next plus 5, plus 6, plus 7. Next it will become what for me here? In the same order it becomes what? Plus 8. It becomes what? Plus 8 or plus 4, plus 6, plus 8. Plus 8 means what? 20. What is 20th alphabet for me? T. So our answer here becomes T. Like that also you can do. Or else 4, 5, 6, 7 and next it should be what? 8. Right? It is up to you. You can do it in any manner. Next one. A, I, B, J, C, K. A, I, B, J, C, K and what comes next? What is A, I? 1, 9. 2, 10. 3, 11. 3, 11. Now see here. 1, 2, 3. 9, 10, 11. So next it should be what? 4, 11 and 12. So that means D, L. So our answer here becomes D, L. A simple one. A simple one, students. Right? See the next one. U, I, U, B, I. U, B, I, P, W. U, B, I, P, W. So what is U for me? 23rd. B is 2nd. I is 9th. P is 16th. W is 23rd. Now please see here. All are of different one, right? Is it following any particular order for us here? No, sir. It is not following. But please check what is actually happening here. U is 21st. Sorry. U is 21st alphabet for me. Now if you check from here onwards, what it looks like? Plus 7, plus 7, plus 7. Is it clear, right? Yes. So that means the same logic applies here also, no, sir. Now we will check whether it is applying or not. 21 plus 7, what it should become? 28. 28 or 2, both are same, right? Yes. That means what actually here it is happening here for us? Plus 7. So that is 30. What is 30th alphabet for me? 30th alphabet is nothing but the 4th alphabet, which is D. So our answer here becomes D. Sometimes what happens is, in the beginning we will not be able to understand the logic, but when you observe the remaining things, you may get the logic. Especially with the starting and ending letters, students. The relation will be very tricky with the starting and ending letters. Why? Because they will be in a circular manner, right? Sometimes you may move forward, sometimes you may move backward, and keep an eye on that one. What actually is happening there. Next one. Right? That's it, students. These are the examples from the alphabet series. In the next one, we will see the different types of series. These are general cases. In our next following videos, we will see the number series and well as the repeating series. How we are going to solve those two type of things in our next videos. Thank you very much.